Automating invoices in Wix helps streamline your billing process, ensuring timely and consistent invoicing for your clients. Here's how to automate invoices on Wix. Set up a Wix account with payments enabled. Ensure your Wix website has a payment system set up. Go to Settings, Accept Payments, and connect a payment gateway like Stripe, PayPal, or Wix Payments. Enable Wix Invoices. Navigate to Finances in your Wix dashboard and select Invoices. This feature lets you create and manage professional invoices directly from Wix. Create an invoice template. Click plus New Invoice to design a template. Add your business details, branding, and default payment terms. Automate invoice generation. Use Wix automations to trigger invoice creation. Go to Automations, create automation, and set up triggers such as new orders placed or service booked. Choose the action. Send invoice automatically. Review and send automatically. Customize the email that accompanies the invoice. Wix will generate and send invoices whenever the trigger conditions are met. Track payments and reminders. Use Wix's dashboard to monitor invoice statuses and set reminders for overdue payments.